So we've looked at how to create shapes as well as text and manipulate both of those, but what if we want to integrate a more intricate image into our logo? And here's a trick that I like to use and is great for getting started in Illustrator and then progressing from. So if we come down from File to Place, Place is very important because it's going to integrate an image in a way that you can manipulate it. So maybe I want to put this plane in here. I've got a JPEG of a plane, and let's scale it down here a little bit. And I want to start with this image and go from here. So I've got my image selected. Now there's another workspace that comes up here where it's allowing us to do something called vectorizing of an image. And if you come down with this arrow from Image Trace, maybe I want to do a 3-color option or a shade of gray. I find those to be very useful ones, or for a black and white logo if it's a very simple shape. So let's choose a 3-color one because that actually makes less shapes that we have to worry about. Maybe I don't like that one. 6 colors. Shades of gray. A little bit more detail. The thing that you're seeing here is the more complex an image, the harder it is to vectorize it appropriately. But I've gotten something from it that maybe I can use. The next thing you do is expand the image, and that's going to separate the vector shapes. You see now that all of my different vector points are highlighted, and I can come in if I ungroup them and manipulate all the different shapes. One other thing I can do is start deleting things that maybe I don't like. Maybe I don't want all these window panes in here. Maybe I want the entire plane to be a different color. Maybe I want it to be my jet blue color. I can always go I for eyedropper and select my blue color that I actually have been using in the rest of my logo to integrate the design a little bit more. Now, I think that this vectorizing option is very useful, but it's only a place to start. Just like how our shape creation tools is just a beginning to more complex shapes. It's all about building and layering on top of each other. So be careful to not just use stock images that you got from the internet, but to take those and say, okay, here's one puzzle piece, and I'm going to take a little bit from this and a little bit from that and a little bit from this and combine it together to make something that's unique to your own creative idea that you have for this logo. So it's just a way to get you started. Then you progress from there.